All right, I have my video running, so I'm just gonna let it run.
40 seconds.
Minus 30. Halo turning circuit on. APS check 199. Minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 69, plus 10. Radar 65 and
It's going. It's going up.
ACM is enabled. 20.
I don't see anything, do you? It went up?
Second stage ignition.
Second stage ignition already. They're up there.
They are?
Again, as we told you,
Second stage separation. Third stage ignition.
Yep, it's gone.
beautiful show here. Again, if you're the camera you're on the screen right now is kind of in and out again based on the clouds in the Wallops area. But kudos to our tracking team doing an awesome job of staying locked in.
There it is. Look, 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 look.
Oh my God!
Holy fuck, look at that. How cool is that? It just popped up.
1 minute.
You got it?
Oh my God, that's wild! Yes!
That is so cool.
Wow!
It's like fucking right over
Holy
us.
shit!
Third stage burnout.
We're looking all the way south. It's right over us.
Oh, it's look, it's burned out. What? Chunks? What did he say?
Chunks.
What the hell does that mean?
That was
Oh my God, that was so awesome.
Third stage separation and fourth stage ignition.
Look at the trail. They're in fourth stage ignition already. That thing